Okay, so if you work in an atmosphere where you are a fleet mechanic and you have machines that have rotary blades on them, chances are you're going to have one of these blade grinders, and at some point you're going to have to change the grinding stone. Alright, so let's jump into it. I'm going to show you the model and how to change the blade really fast. This is the model here, RBG-712, and here is our grinding wheel right here, grinding stone. The first thing you're going to want to do, and I already did this for sake of speeding up the video, is you're going to have 9/16 bolts in each corner. You can see I already removed those bolts. Alright, and after you remove those bolts, this shroud is just going to pull up, like so. Here's our new wheel here, and over here you are going to have a 15/16 nut. I would recommend getting an adjustable. Put your adjustable right here on this side, and you'll take your socket gun and drive this nut off. Got my adjustable on the back side to hold it. I'm going to drive this nut off. Now that the nut is off, you're going to have these metal spacers on each side of it. Set them over there, and your wheel will slide right off like that. You just take your new wheel and you're going to slide it right on there with your other spacer, and that's it. You're going to put your nut back on, put your shroud back on, and that's it. That's how you change the grinding stone on the RBG-712. Hopefully this tip helped somebody out there, and if it did, if you could please just hit subscribe below and give me a like. I do these videos daily, and I'll see you guys next time.